Now first और second क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. In an n channel JFET, drain current is maximum when gate to source voltage is. Now हमारे पास इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के दो तरीके हैं. पहला है हम अगर शॉकली इक्वेशन लिखो, ID इक्वल्स टू IDSS 1 माइनस VGS अपॉन VP का स्क्वायर. ठीक है. सो हमें चाहिए ड्रेन करंट क्या चाहिए, मैक्सिमम चाहिए. देन दिस करंट विल बी मैक्सिमम. We will have two condition when VGS is 0. Let's apply the VDS is 0. When VDS is 0, this is ID equals to IDSS. This is the maximum current. Clear? Now when VGS equals to VP, then this expression is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So ID equals to 0. So we will have minimum and maximum current. Clear है यहाँ तक? So first और second क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. In an n channel JFET, the current is maximum when gate to source voltage is. So अगर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं, then according to Stokely equation, ID equals to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP का स्क्वायर. क्लियर है. Now we have two condition. If VGS is 0, then 1 minus 0 by something, that is 1. So ID equals to IDSS. This is the maximum current. This is the maximum value of the current. Now when VGS is equals to BP, then it is 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then 0 multiplied by IDS, that is 0. So ID is 0. Clear है? So it is minimum value of the current. The minimum value of drain current. So maximum value of the drain current occurs when the gate to source voltage is 0. But the minimum current occurs when the gate to source voltage is just equal to the pinch voltage. Clear है यहाँ तक? Then what is the answer? Equal to VDD, it is wrong. More than VDD, it is also wrong. Then it is equal to 0 when VGS is 0. Then ID equals to IDSS, that is called saturation current. And in this region, the JFET is working as a constant current source. So the correct option is C. Now next question is JFET in properly biased condition act as a current control current source, voltage control voltage source, voltage control current source, and impedance controlled current source. So if you have the output characteristic of JFET, then this curve is like that. So this is the region that is called linear region, where the JFET is working as a linear resistor or ohmic region. Clear है? And this is the region where the VDS is positive but small. Clear? And in this region the VGS is 0. But as you apply the VGS, here the VDS is greater than 0, but now VGS is not 0. Now when you apply the VGS to the JFET, that is gate to source voltage, then your drain current becomes saturated, that is equals to IDSS. Now when your drain current is saturated, the JFET is giving the constant current. This is called constant current source. This is also called the active region oblique the saturation region. Clear है यहाँ तक? But this region, this constant current is given by the input gate to source voltage. That's why this JFET is called voltage controlled current source, because it's this region the constant current is obtained by what? This gate to source voltage. That is why this JFET is called voltage controlled current source. So correct option is C, because voltage controlled current source is given in C option. Clear है यहाँ तक? Next question देखते हैं ना. Third और fourth question लेते हैं. When a JFET is cut off, the depletion layers are far apart, close together, touching and conducting. Now if you see, when a JFET is cut off, that means cut off means ID is 0. When ID is 0, channel conductivity is 0. Now channel conductivity is 0, that means there is no free electrons, That means two depletion region. These two depletion region are touching to each other like that. This is the condition when the JFET is cut off, when there is no free electron moving from source to drain, then the ID is zero. That's why the depletion region are touching to each other. Now these two depletion region are touching to each other when the VGS is less than 0 in case of n channel JFET and positive in case of p channel JFET. Now suppose n channel JFET में हम VGS को लगातार बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो जो लेफ्ट साइड वाली जो डिप्लीशन रीजन है that will touch to right side depletion region, and a condition is obtained when this two depletion region are touches to each other and there is a blockage of free electron, then the drain current is zero. Clear? When the drain current is zero, the JFET is working in cutoff mode. Clear? So when JFET is in cutoff mode, two depletion region are touching to each other. Channel conductivity is zero, channel resistivity is infinite, channel resistance is infinite, so that the drain current is zero. Clear? So they are touching to each other. Next question, a constant current region of a JFET lies between. Now if you have the output characteristic, this is your ID, this is your VDS, then this is the characteristic like that. So this is called linear or ohmic region. Clear? In this region the JFET is working as a resistor, but this is the region where this is BP. When you apply the voltage greater than this VDS, when VDS is greater than BP, then this drain current is IDSS and it is constant. Clear? So this is called constant current region. So this constant current region is in between two region. So this is called VDS max, and this region is called breakdown region. This region is called breakdown region. ठीक है यहाँ तक? तो अगर हम बात करते हैं constant current region of a JFET lies between where to where? From this active region or the saturation region or in breakdown region. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? सो चेक कर लीजिए, कट ऑफ और सैचुरेशन ये तो गलत हो गया है. नेक्स्ट है कट ऑफ एंड पिंच ऑफ. दिस रीजन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड पिंच ऑफ रीजन. क्लियर है? कट ऑफ एंड पिंच ऑफ रीजन ये गलत है, बट कट ऑफ तो कट ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए. जीरो एंड IDSS ये भी गलत है. Pinch off and breakdown. So this is the region where the drain current starts saturating and becomes constant. If you further increase VDS greater than the maximum value of the breakdown voltage, then the drain current will increase like that. Clear है? So इस क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो क्या सही होगा? D बिल्कुल करेक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. इफ VDS represent the drain to source voltage, VGS represent gate to source voltage, VGD represent gate to drain voltage, and ID represent drain current, then the transfer characteristic of any FET is drawn between VGD and ID, VDS and ID, VDS and VGS and ID. So अगर हम बात करें जो JFET है उसकी दो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती थी. एक होती थी आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक और एक होती थी ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, ट्रांसफर कर्व. ठीक है? So output curve is drawn between the VDS and ID for constant value of VGS, but a transfer characteristic is drawn between ID and VGS for constant value of VDS. ठीक है? VDS, it is VDS. ठीक है? So चेक करते हैं ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक किसके बीच का ग्राफ है. So ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज ए ग्राफ बिटवीन द गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज एंड ड्रेन करंट, एंड इट्स शेप इज पैराबोलिक शेप. ठीक है यहाँ तक? तो इसकी शेप कैसी होती है? पैराबोलिक. सो ऑप्शन चेक करिएगा. VGD ID, VDS ID रॉन्ग है ये भी, क्योंकि यहाँ VGS होना चाहिए, यहाँ भी VGS होना चाहिए, इसलिए रॉन्ग है. सी चेक करते हैं. यहाँ दोनों वोल्टेज है तो इस वजह से ये दोनों गलत हो गया, सी भी गलत हो गया. नाउ लास्ट ऑप्शन है VGS एंड ID. सो VGS एंड ID इज द करेक्ट. तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो बेटा D बिल्कुल सही होगा. नेक्स्ट है पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज ऑफ द जंक्शन फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर डिपेंड्स अपॉन. सो पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज वो वोल्टेज होता है जहां पर पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज इज द मिनिमम गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज वेयर द ड्रेन करंट इज minimum. If you have the Shockley equation, that is ID equals to IDS S1 minus VGS upon BP का square. Now if VGS is equals to BP, the gate to source voltage is equals to BP, then what happens? This factor is 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 multiplied by IDS 0, so ID is 0. Clear? So the minimum gate to source voltage at which the drain current is minimum. Clear है now? अगर इसकी दूसरी डेफिनेशन आप लोग समझना चाहते हैं, then this is the voltage which separates, अगर मैं आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के रिस्पेक्ट में बात करूं, then this is the voltage that differentiate two characteristic, linear region and the active region. अगर ये आपको याद हो, जो हमारी आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक थी वो कुछ इस तरीके की थी. सो ये लीनियर रीजन होता था और ये हमारा सैचुरेशन और एक्टिव रीजन होता था. बट ये जो वोल्टेज होता था इसको हम बोलते थे बीपी. सो दिस बीपी इज डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर विच मेक्स चेंजेस इन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फ्रॉम लीनियर रीजन टू एक्टिव रीजन. क्लियर है? तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो क्या सही होगा? गेट टू सोर्स वोल्टेज. इसलिए आंसर जो सही होगा वो बी बिल्कुल करेक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. नाउ 7th और 8th क्वेश्चंस देखें. ए जंक्शन फील्ड इफेक्ट ट्रांजिस्टर कैन बी यूज्ड एज ए वोल्टेज वेरिएबल रजिस्टर एट पिंच ऑफ कंडीशन, beyond pinch off condition, well below the pinch off condition, and last step for any value of VDS. Now, if you remember the output characteristic, this is your output characteristic. This is ID and VDS, and when VGS is 0, this is this point. So now this is called linear region, and this is called BP. This is BP, that means VDS is greater than BP, this point, and this point is known as VDS maximum. So this is called active region, pinch off region, and also called saturation region, and this is called breakdown region. Here we have avalanche breakdown, because avalanche breakdown occurs when voltage is greater than 6 volt. Clear है यहाँ तक? This is linear region, variable resistor. Now in this region, the current, output current and voltage, the drain to source voltage are linearly proportional. So this work as a resistor. This region is work as a resistor. Now this region has constant current source, and in this region there will be a breakdown, avalanche breakdown. So there will be very large current. Clear है यहाँ तक? Now the active region is the region where the VDS is greater than BP. So the value required greater than the BP when the region is changing from linear to active region, that is called pinch off voltage. अब समझते हैं. A junction field effect transistor can be used as a voltage variable resistor. So अगर हम बात करें एक जो JFET एक लीनियर रजिस्टर की तरह किस रीजन में काम कर रहा है? लीनियर रीजन में. और इस रीजन में जो वोल्टेज है, the drain to source voltage जो है वो BP से क्या है? वो कम है. So here the VDS is less than BP. Clear है? But in this region VDS is greater than BP. In this region VDS is very greater than BP, or we can say the VDS is greater than VDS max. Clear है यहाँ तक? So JFET is working as a linear resistor when the voltage is less than BP. Clear है? So well below the pinch off condition. तो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है यहाँ का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ड्रेन सोर्स वोल्टेज एट विच द ड्रेन करंट बिकम्स nearly constant is called. Now the value of the drain to source voltage at which the drain current is constant, this is called IDSS. Here the drain current is constant, this drain current becomes constant. So the value of drain to source voltage at which the JFET is working as a constant current source or working in active region or in pinch off region, that voltage is known as pinch off voltage. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? तो इस क्वेश्चन का भी जो आंसर होगा वो क्या सही होना चाहिए? पिंच ऑफ वोल्टेज. डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. 9th और 10th क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. इन ए JFET ऑपरेटिंग अबव BP, द ड्रेन करंट इज इंक्रीजेस स्टीपली, ड्रेन करंट रिमेन प्रैक्टिकली कांस्टेंट, ड्रेन करंट स्टार्ट डिक्रीजिंग एंड डिप्लीशन रीजन रिड्यूसेस. सो इफ यू हैव द आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, if you have the basic knowledge of the output characteristic, that is the characteristic drawn between the drain current versus VDS. Now this characteristic like is that. So this is the region where the VDS is equals to, this is VDS is equals to BP is equals to VP. So this is the region where VDS is greater than 0 but small. In this region the VGS is 0, VGS is 0. So the JFET is working as a linear register. Clear है यहाँ तक? Now in this region VDS is greater than BP. So in this region the JFET is working as a constant current source. JFET is working as a constant current source. So in a JFET operating at a BP, that is when voltage is greater than BP, the JFET is working as a constant current source. क्लियर है? तो इस क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो बिल्कुल सही बी करेक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट 10th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. स्मॉल वैल्यू ऑफ VDS, JFET बिहेव्स लाइक resistor, constant current source, constant voltage source, negative resistance. So for a small value of VDS, your JFET is working as a linear resistor or in working in ohmic or linear region. That's why for this question the correct answer is A. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? आई होप सो. आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से हमारे जो दोनों क्वेश्चन के आंसर निकले हैं वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? नेक्स्ट देखते हैं.